Everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your check engine light is on and you're seeing a P0112 trouble code, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to diagnose and fix it step by step. Let's get started.
P0112 stands for Intake Air Temperature Sensor Circuit Low Voltage. This means your vehicle's ECU is detecting an abnormally low voltage signal from the IAT sensor, usually indicating a faulty sensor, wiring issues, or a bad connection.
Check engine light on, rough idling or poor acceleration, increased fuel consumption, hard starting in cold weather, potential limp mode activation. The IAT sensor could be on the throttle body, attached right to the intake manifold. First, carefully remove the IAT sensor from the vehicle. Visually inspect the sensor to make sure it hasn't been contaminated by a leak from another engine component. Use a multimeter to proceed a test on the IAT sensor. In order to get a correct reading, check your owner's manual to see the specific IAT sensor resistance range for your vehicle. If you do not get a reading, this indicates that the IAT sensor is faulty and needs to be replaced. Locate the air filter housing. It usually looks like a black plastic box. Disengage the cover to expose the air filter. Be careful not to dislodge any hoses or stretch any wiring when you do this. Remove the old filter carefully. Pay attention to the orientation of the filter as it comes out of the housing. Clean out any excessive dirt or debris inside the compartment before installing the new filter. Follow the orientation of the removed filter and put the new filter in place. Make sure the outer seal is seated properly before closing the cover. Close the cover and replace the clips and screws. Now that everything is fixed, use your OBD scanner to clear the code. Start the engine and take the car for a short test drive to ensure the check engine light doesn't come back on. And that's it. You've successfully diagnosed and fixed the P0112 trouble code. If this video helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.